Hey YouTube, this is going to be system test 7 of my Simplex 4010 panel with my Wheelock MT, my FCI MS2 I think, my Simplex 4099-9001 and my Simplex Annunciator, and I have a Spectra alert with no horn right now going in my closet. It's gone up there. There's a wire, so I guess I will pull this thing. It's obviously not a BG12, I just haven't changed that yet. Let's go look at my Spectra alert. See, you can see it flashing up there. It lights up the road pretty well. There's Harley. And Zelda. Oh, green eyes. What the heck, I'll do a subsequent alarm too. Not a smoke detector, obviously. Oh crap, I forgot to reset the pull stations. Well. Oops, my bad. Guess I'll just show you what happens when you don't reset the pull stations and you try to reset it. Alarms present, system reset aborted. Well, let's reset these now. Come on. This thing can be really hard to turn sometimes. I guess we can look through my troubles over here. I have not set the system time yet. There's obviously no battery. If anybody can tell me what this thing is for, it came with my Gemtex Commander 3. I'd really like it if somebody could tell me what this is for. Oops, let me focus. Alarm, no alarms present, system reset completed. And also, really quickly, somebody can tell me why I just keep getting this random short trouble on my NAC 4. There's no resistor in there right now, but it doesn't change anything. If anybody can tell me what's causing that, I'd really appreciate it. But this has been System Test 7. Thanks for watching.